It's the middle of July. We're at the Glymurfoss, Glymur waterfall trailhead, about to go for the hike. I think it's a little over 4 miles, maybe 1,400 feet of climbing, something like that. 63 and sunny. Incredible. I'm wearing shorts for the first time.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
It is the highest waterfall in Iceland, around 198 meters high.
What? That's 650 feet.
Whoa.
I'm pretty sure recently my tour guide Thor said this is his waterfall. He used to live near it, and that technically it's no longer known as the highest waterfall in Iceland because they found another one that I think is pouring over some glacier. But anyway, one of the highest, should be beautiful. Let's see it. Check out all the beautiful invasive Alaskan lupines. We have reached the river that I think Glymurfoss is on. Check out the views. So there's a cave down there, there's some people in. The river down below, this cool rock that you can walk out on. It's not the way to go, it just gets out to overlook. Whoa, and it's got some sketchy spots, which you know I like. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is cool. That is really cool. Wow, the flowers everywhere is just insane. Wow, look at that. That's beauty right there. Hey, we're not sure if the trail goes down there or if it actually goes through this cave. Let's take a look inside. Watch your head. Feels like it actually is supposed to go through here. I've got super view on to give you the wide perspective of the double cave here. Here's the river crossing. We've got this beam to help you cross. Actually, feels pretty good. That's really great they put that there. Whoa, check out this water slide. Time for the part of the trail where we climb some elevation. It's a little precarious with some loose rock. I've put a rope here. Here we have another long rope section. Our first look at the big falls in the distance. I'm up above the waterfall right now at the turnaround spot. So if you want to make this a round trip hike, it looks like I might have to cross this river. You could absolutely just hike the one side of the trail, east side, I think, but basically the right side as you're approaching, and have a great hike and turn around right there. I'm still kind of considering that, but I think it'd be fun to make it a loop. And I kind of think it'd be fun to take my shoes off and walk in the river. Check this out. There's some people over there. I know it's far away. Shoes are coming off. Oh, it is very cold, very uneven. Kind of feels good, but it's also way windier up top here. Cool to see the waterfall just spilling over the side there. That's where the big falls are. I've mostly just been hustling my way back down this other side. On all trails, it shows a few different options. I'm staying the one that's tightest to the river. Maybe it's the shortest, I don't know. But truly, I think the best views are from the other side. I'd recommend really just going up to the very top if you want to see that perspective, and going back down that same side. From this side, maybe even rockier, looser, no ropes on a few of the sketchy slidey parts. So yeah, that'd be my call.